3-degree cipher in the back, and it's getting some muffler work done. And it's straight piping it, getting rid of the resonator and the muffler. Excited to see what it's going to sound like. Got a few more things to do to this Civic, so stay tuned for it.
She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mom. I'm sorry.
Alright fellas, I'm super excited to get this done. Can't wait to hear what it sounds like. Hope they can get it figured out how to run it and get it hung up. But it wasn't good enough, nice enough to let me get up in the shop and get a few video for insurance purposes. But yeah, All American Muffler, check them out.
50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03, dog. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me. Imagine if I never met the broskies. God's plan.
It looks like the Civic's done. Can't wait to hear the final sound. Sounds amazing. Oh my god, dude. Fucking super excited. This looks amazing. Alright, what up? So I just got my house done on my SI and I'm super excited, man. It sounds good. I'm glad I ran it with the muffler beat. It's raining today. I don't have my GoPro on me right now. I'm definitely gonna shoot some video later on how the sound sounds like.
That ain't called for. Who that cup in order to this dark purpose? All that fucking lush, you gotta give it hard. All that sweet and fresh, you might tell them apart. All that copper.
Then why you trippin', get your Mariah? Shawty look good in the moonlight. All these pussy niggas so bad, Maya.